Welcome to an advanced guide on mastering financial independence and transforming your relationship with money. In this video, we will delve into the groundbreaking book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Whether you're new to the concept or seeking advanced insights, this video is your key to lifelong financial well-being. Section 1. Understanding the Money Trap. In this section, we'll explore the fundamental ideas of your money or your life, and how it challenges society's traditional views on money. We'll explain the concept of the money trap, and why so many people find themselves stuck in a cycle of unfulfilling work and excessive consumption. Section 2. The 9 Steps to Financial Independence. Now that we understand the problem, let's dive into the 9 steps outlined in the book that can lead us to financial independence and freedom. These proven steps will help you align your values with your financial decisions and transform the way you think about money. Section 3. Achieving Financial Independence. In this section, we'll explore strategies for achieving true financial independence and how to overcome common obstacles. We'll discuss the importance of establishing an enough point and how it can lead to lasting fulfillment and contentment, rather than chasing endless material possessions. Section 4. Tools for Sustainable Financial Practices. In this final section, we'll provide you with practical tools and resources to support your journey towards sustainable financial practices. From budgeting techniques and investment strategies to conscious consumerism and sustainable living, we'll equip you with everything you need to make informed financial decisions. Congratulations! You've now immersed yourself in the transformative world of your money or your life. Remember, financial independence is not just about the numbers. It's about aligning your spending with your values and reclaiming your time and freedom. We hope this video has provided you with advanced insights and inspiration to take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching Your Money or Your Life, Mastering Financial Independence and Transforming Your Relationship with Money. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share it with anyone you think could benefit from this life-changing approach.